Monkey Tank. Today is Sunday, we came out to enjoy. So friends, come with me. Now we are here in the Monkey Tank. Let's come. See, there is a big lake. Let's go from right. There is a sea.
Your daughter and your wife. No, your daughter.
Wow, there is something here. Let's go up. Wow, there are so many fish. It is so big. I like it, this fish.